Hi guys, welcome to IT networking and how to fix Blurry screen on your Windows 10 and 11. So guys, first method, Windows R, type ms icon setting column display. Okay, so when you facing the issues, you can enter this app. Okay, hi guys, welcome to IT networking and how to fix Blurry screen in Windows 10 and 11. So guys, first step is click to Windows icon and then click to setting, system, display, chain scroller, resize your text, click to 150. Okay, then close it. Next solutions guys, Windows yes, search, type clear, type and then enter. So guys, then guys click to next, again click to next and next, then again next and close it. Okay, third solutions guys, click to go to setting, systems, display, scroll down, find out to graphic, then guys click to options. So guys, choose the app for which you want to modify graphics setting. Click the options, click the options button, suppose options, then options and high priority, then save. Okay, then close. Then guys open this PC, right click to this PC, show more, click to properties, just second. So guys, I giving you shortcut sysdm.cpl, then enter. Go to system properties, best performance, apply. Okay. Next solutions guys, click to Windows and then setting, go to Windows update. If you have any pending update like this KB502951 is download pending, so firstly download and install and restart, then guys you have to 100% solve your problems. Okay, 100%. Thank you.